The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, continues to slug it out with Ripple in the more than 2-year-old case. Welcome to the Rich Club channel. Please watch this video to the end, like it, and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. Also in this video, we will show the lucky winner of giveaway, free 500 XRP, and maybe it will be you. So watch the video carefully until the end. Ripple's General Counsel Stuart Alderoty has reacted to a recent Bloomberg article titled, "Fight to Regulate Crypto at Crossroads as Ripple Ruling Looms." The article, published yesterday, explains how an upcoming Ripple v. SEC lawsuit ruling will determine which federal agency between the SEC and CFTC should regulate the industry. Bloomberg, in reference to the lawsuit between the SEC and RIPA, said, "An upcoming ruling in New York federal court could help determine the answer, along with the fates of numerous crypto investors and companies. The case hinges on whether a prominent digital token should be treated as a security, which would fall under the Securities Exchange Commission jurisdiction." The leading media outlet cited comments from former SEC's legal representatives, with the majority saying that the implosion of cryptocurrency exchange FEX will determine the outcome of the Ripple lawsuit. Reacting to the article, Alderoty said irrespective of how Bloomberg dissects the lawsuit, the experts all agree that the outcome of the case will affect the future of cryptocurrencies in the United States. No matter how you dissect it, the experts agree. The outcome of the Ripple case will likely have a significant impact on crypto's future in the USE, he said. The ongoing Ripple case has captured much attention from the XRP community and other cryptocurrency investors, thus suggesting the significance of the lawsuit in the U.S. crypto industry. There is an ongoing debate over who should regulate the cryptocurrency industry, with top industry players like Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse backing the CFTC to emerge as the appropriate regulator for crypto. The SEC, under the leadership of Gary Gensler, is trying to position itself as the cop on the beat for the emerging market. Carol Goforth, a professor at the University of Arkansas School of Law specializing in fintech regulation, said in the Bloomberg piece that should the SEC win the lawsuit, the regulator would claim jurisdiction over most crypto assets. However, a win for Ripple could reduce the SEC's claim over becoming the regulatory watchdog for crypto. It bears mentioning that the SEC has faced criticism from crypto stakeholders over its regulatory approach in the crypto sector. Industry players, including Alderoty, have accused the SEC of preferring enforcement instead of clarifying rules. Aside from crypto enthusiasts, Arthur Jacoby, a former SEC attorney, has slammed the SEC for its regulatory approach in the crypto space. Instead of engaging in transparent and public rulemaking with industry comments, the SEC has chosen to mark its digital asset territory via the federal court system, Jacoby noted. In response to this criticism, Gensler has maintained that existing financial market rules are clear. Meanwhile, a decision in the Ripple v. SEC lawsuit is expected to be given in the first half of the year, as both the SEC and Ripple are asking Judge Annalisa Torres to rule in their favor. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, continues to slug it out with Ripple in the more than 2-year-old case. In its latest filing, the regulator has opposed Ripple's motion to seal several categories of documents filed in connection with cross motions for summary judgment. The SEC states in the Jan. 9 partial opposition that many documents Ripple proposes to redact from public scrutiny are too essential. The documents will play a key role in summary judgment and hence cannot overcome the presumption of public access, the SEC noted. The SEC has filed its response in partial opposition to the Ripple defendants' motion to seal certain documents filed in connection with the parties' cross motions for summary judgment. The SEC highlights 5 categories of documents out of the 11 Ripple proposed to redact as having this importance. The first category is Ripple's proposal to redact documents related to its financial information. The securities watchdog explains that it is opposed to Ripple sealing the entirety of its financial records. The SEC notes that financial records from 2013 to 2020 are at the heart of the case and therefore require public disclosure. The SEC adds that these records will also not harm Ripple's market competitiveness. The SEC's arguments follow a similar path in making a case for unsealing the other four categories of Ripple documents. These include Ripple's contract terms, the identity of third parties, compensation, information, and individual defendants' personal and financial information. On the same day, Ripple also filed its opposition to the SEC's motion to seal certain documents connected to Cross. Motions for summary judgment. The fintech giant points out that the court recognizes that the presumption of public access to judicial documents is currently at its strongest. The Ripple defendants have filed their response in opposition to the SEC's motion to seal certain documents filed in connection with the parties' cross motions for summary judgment. Hence, it urges the court to deny the SEC's motion to seal emails related to Bill Hyman's speech. This is because the SEC uses parts of the document in its arguments for summary judgment. The document is of high public interest in the case. Ripple also notes. The defendants further requested that the court reject the SEC's request to seal their experts' names and identifying information. Ripple argued that the SEC has failed to differentiate between the circumstances of each expert. Similarly, 3 of the experts are already publicly known through their disclosure. Whether or not the court ultimately determines those documents are relevant is beside the point. They are part of the summary judgment record, and there is no compelling basis to keep them sealed. The SEC's motion should be denied. The filing said, Ripple partner Airwallex has entered into a partnership with American Express to expand merchant payment acceptance options per a press release from Airwallex today. Also, the company shared the development via Twitter. We have partnered with American Express to allow Airwallex customers to accept American Express cards as a payment method. As a result of the partnership, Airwallex customers in Australia, Hong Kong, Singapore, and the United Kingdom will now be able to accept customer payments via American Express cards. Notably, they will be able to do so via online payment portals, zero invoice payments, and e-commerce shopping extensions. Airwallex discloses that the partnership results from the demand from customers who want to enjoy the benefits of accepting American Express payments. The outlined benefits include higher spending, high-end customers, and better customer payment experiences. Per the press release, the partnership will leverage novel cross-border and multi-currency payment solutions, integrating Airwallex's technology with the convenience of using American Express for payment. The Ripple partner adds that it allows customers to choose from 60 payment options, including American Express. It is worth noting that Airwallex has been a Ripple partner and RippleNet user since 2017 per Ripple blog post. Consequently, it leverages XRP as a bridge currency in multi-currency and cross-border transactions to enable near instant and low-cost remittances and settlements. Unsurprisingly, the latest partnership has caught the attention of XRP influencers who have taken to Twitter to share the development. Ripple partner Airwallex partners with American Express to diversify merchant payments acceptance option starts. Community, Crypto Blockchain Pick. It is the latest in a long line of partnerships between Ripple partners and renowned legacy finance institutions. As reported in December, MoneyGram launched an online remittance platform in Brazil with the help of Frank Corretora, a Ripple partner. Less than a week later, Demony, another Ripple partner, entered into a partnership with Visa to utilize the Visa Direct solution to offer near-instant peer-to-peer cross-border payments. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos.